everybody, it's Robbie from Southern California, and today I'm doing a potato harvest. Don't get excited. There isn't going to be much in here. I had a potato that was starting to grow and I threw it in this pot, and that was back, October 4th. I threw it in here. Just a potato from the house that was starting to grow. I have no idea what's in here, but the plant died back. There's a potato. Like I said, don't get excited, because I don't know what's in here. Probably nothing. There's my first potato. Oh, we got to get this back in. This is full of earthworms. I'm going to add in some broken down wood chips, and then I'll water it in good. Let's see what's... There's another potato. Oh, cool. Look at this. Another potato. Okay, this is a surprise. Look at that. Another one. I had no idea. This is really cool. You know, look at this. I'm really tempted to put it back, because these are potato seeds. Instead of just cooking it, let it come back in the spring and grow. Well, there's my big harvest. Let's see. Okay, there's another one. Looks like a marble. But this is just packed with earthworms. They're breaking down all the wood chips and probably leaves or whatever else I put in here. Don't want to lose our earthworms. My earthworms are very important to us. I think that's my big potato harvest. Look at that. No, I think I had some skins and I threw them in here. I had one potato that started to grow. There was something that's so far back I don't remember. Back in, oh wait, no. Oh yeah, here's another one. Oh, wait a minute. No, not that one. And I decided just to throw it in this pot that was sitting here. I don't really grow potatoes. Why? So many people say grow potatoes. Here's the problem. And I do want to grow potatoes. Absolutely agree I should be growing potatoes. The problem is potatoes are one of the cheapest things when you want potatoes to buy. No joke. It is absolutely the cheapest. So many times a year you can get 10 pounds of potatoes for $1. The everyday price for potatoes in Southern California, the everyday price, I can get it any day right now, is $1.99. That's $2 for 10 pounds of potatoes. Multiple grocery stores sell it for that price all the time. So that's why I really haven't gotten into really growing potatoes. And that's really the only reason. The problem is you put so much time and effort, and let's say I was lucky enough to get 10 pounds of potatoes in here. I could go through 10 pounds, if I want to make potato salad or something, I could go through 10 pounds of potatoes probably in 2 or 3 days. Gary makes these big French fries and he cuts them up. We don't eat a lot of potatoes, but when we do go through a lot of potatoes. But there's my big harvest. That is so funny. I've got a nice sized little potato there. The mother potato is gone. And some are reddish, and I thought I only put one in here. It's only telling me one, so I'm not sure. Maybe I had some potato skins in there, because I've got a couple that are reddish. And look at that. I think for fun, I am going to put it back in here and set it in the yard, since they look beautiful. And once the weather warms up, it will start to grow. But I just wanted to share this with you. There they are, baby potato. You know, if I went to the store and bought those couple potatoes at some of these specialty shops, a little tiny bag of small potatoes can be like $4 or $5. And that's something. Go get a big bag, 10 pounds of potatoes for $2. But if you want to buy small potatoes like this in a little bag, like a pound, it's expensive. But anyways, I thought I would share this. Oh my gosh, so funny. I'm going to put it back. So let's just push them back in there, kind of keep track of them. And who knows, you know, maybe I will end up setting up some tubs at some point and start growing a lot of potatoes. But yeah, I think I am going to put them back. I basically just wanted to see what was going on, and now we all know that I can grow potatoes. Yeah, like what, quarter of a pound? I don't even know if it was a quarter of a pound, but there it is, back in there. I should come back with a Sharpie or something and date it, but my potatoes are back, and I'm gonna go set them back in the front yard. With that, have a great day. Should put this up for April Fool's Day. Have a great day, and don't forget to eat what you grow. Bye-bye. Oh, that is just too funny.